Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today is the giveaway drawing for the background design choices, and a month ago we did a giveaway drawing, and on that video you had to leave a comment and tell me what you would like to see the new set of templates, the timeless scrapbook, printable scrapbook album templates, whichever background designs you'd like to see next. So I like to do that, like every time I do a new set of templates, I like to slowly release the background designs and let you guys choose which ones you want to use, and then I like to do a giveaway. So all you had to do was leave a comment on that video. I'll link that video up here, and oops, what is up here? Up here and in the description box if you want to check it out. It's just the same type of video, just a real quick picking the winners, and releasing the new background designs. And there's always a coupon code too. Not always, but there is a coupon code again this time. So you had to leave a comment, and then you also have to be a subscriber to my channel. That's very important, and in a giveaway that you are subscribed to my channel. So there'll be two winners today. There were two background designs that I released today, and let me show you what they are. I'll just show you what they are. So this is the last project we just finished making. Actually, you're going to see later on today, you're going to see the flip through of this. So stay tuned for that later today. And then if you stay to the end of the video, I might talk to you a little bit about something that I'm going to do, hopefully quickly. Anyway, we'll see. But this is the last project. I'll put that playlist right here if you want to check this out. This is the one we just finished making, and there is going to be a final flip through today. Later on today will be released. Oops, and of course my battery is like, no, it's time to stop. I didn't even change my battery. I just turned my camera on. Okay, let's see. All right, so the two background designs that won this time around are Music Notes and Floral. Why do I feel like it's not straight on? Why do I feel like you're... Whoa. Calm down. Everybody calm down. Is that better maybe? So Music Notes and Floral are what won. What had the most votes. I think Floral had the most votes. And that is what the Etsy listing looks like. And that is the Music Notes. That's what it looks like. I will have that section of my shop linked in the description box below. And just so for reference, this is just one of the pages out of the template. And that's with the music background, the Music Notes background on there. And then there's the one with the floral background. So if you remember, with every purchase you get, like let's say you want to buy the floral, timeless floral. In the floral background, you get the floral background, you get a full set of plain templates, and you also get the freebie, the full set of the, is it in here? Of the, hold on. Well, nope, it's not. A full set. I thought it was right there with this. It's not. A full set of the vintage script, so that was a free bonus with purchase, and so was the plain, and so is the guide. All of those are free bonuses with your purchase of the background design of your choice. So those are the two designs that are being released today in the full set of templates, and the two winners that I'm going to draw will get to choose between these two background designs, which set of templates you want. The timeless and the Music Notes, or the timeless and the floral. I should change my battery. Hold on. Hold please. Okay, that's better. The battery's not flashing. Okay, so I have the random YouTube comment picker. Uh-oh, where'd it go? What happened? Okay, there it is. The random YouTube comment picker on my phone, and I put in the video URL, and I haven't added I didn't get the comments yet. Shooty doodle. Let's do that. Get YouTube comments. All right. So now I am going to hit start, and once the name is picked, I will check to make sure you're a subscriber, and then we'll go from there, and then we'll pick another winner. But let's hit start. Okay, I'm on my third try this time. Let's pick another winner. Okay. I'm on my fourth attempt. Some of you may not realize you're not subscribed, or you're not publicly subscribed for sure. If I can't see it, if I can't tell if you're subscribed, because it'll tell me if you're subscribed or not, like publicly. I have no other way of knowing if you're subscribed. So anyways, I'm gonna try again. Yay! Finally! You guys, how do you keep going crooked? I think somebody... I don't know what I'm doing. Whoa! My camera's not even locked in. Good job, Jen. Why are you so crooked? What has happened? Let me move this to a more straighter position here. Why? Why? Okay. Is that straight? I think that's better. Anywho, sorry about that. So congratulations, Natalie. I will put your name up close to the screen here. I want to say it's, whoa, come on, Natalie Thackeray, something like that. Congratulations, Natalie. You have 1 week. What is the date for that? You have until July 15th to contact me via that email in the description box that's specifically for giveaway winners. So hit that email and and send me a message, and we'll go from there. So you have until July 15th, 2024 to contact me. So congratulations to Natalie. And now we finally have one winner. Let's try another one. I'm gonna pick another winner, and I'm gonna hit start. Gotta pick another winner. Okay, congratulations to, I'm gonna hold it up to the camera because it's not, I don't think it's a name. T-L-A-Z-O-E-T. T-L-A-Z-O-E-T. I believe your name is Valerie. Not 100% sure, but you are the second winner. So you need to contact me via that email down below, that Genevieve Designs, or no, what is it, Genevieve Winners or something like that. Anyway, it's linked down below. Contact me through that email and we'll get the ball rolling. So congratulations to you, to both winners. And so both of these are going to be available, in my Etsy shop currently. And there is a coupon code. And it is Timeless 20, all caps, no spaces, 20% off with a minimum purchase of $10 US. And it is valid from today's video posting to July 15th, 2024. So it is for everything in my Etsy shop. So whatever, you can use it as many times as you want, as long as there's a $10 minimum. And you get 20% off of your total. You put this code in, Timeless20. You put that coupon code in at checkout, and it will take the 20% off. If by chance something weird happens, just contact me through your purchase, and I will refund that 20% for you. Okay? So there's that. So thank you so much, everybody who has participated in the giveaway. And then one more thing, for the next giveaway drawing, which will be held 1 month from today, you need to enter, in order to enter to win, geez Louise, I've lost my train of thought. You need to be a subscriber to my channel and leave a comment below this video. Now, the subscriber situation I realize that a lot of you may not have public subscriber, like people can't see who you're subscribed to. I understand that. I get that. Which is probably why the 4 or 5 names that I picked, or that I didn't, 4 or 5 of the names that showed up today were not public subscribers. Or they're not subscribers. I don't know which, okay? I can't tell the difference between someone who's not a public subscriber and someone who's not a subscriber. I can only tell if you are a subscriber or not. Like, I can only see one or the other. It doesn't show me that you're not a public, you know, that you're a subscriber, but you're just not public. Does that make sense? It doesn't tell me that. So the only solution I have to that, the only thing that would work is on the day of the drawing is if you make it to where it's public, where I can see it. That is the only solution that I can think of. So if you are a subscriber to my channel, and I'll have the date for the next drawing down below in the description box. If you want to make sure that you're in the drawing, that you are eligible, make sure that I can see that you're a subscriber on that date. And then you can go back to whatever it was that you were, whatever, you know, however you have it set up before. That's the only thing I can think of. So it kind of stinks, but yeah, you used to be able to tell a long time ago. You could tell who subscribed and who wasn't, but not anymore. Anyway, you only know if they're subscribed, or they're either not subscribed or they're not public. So in order to enter to win, you need to be a subscriber, a public subscriber, and you also need to leave a comment down below and vote for your next 2 choices. So here's what's left. That was a lot, wasn't it? I have letters, the letters background, the light wood, vintage, and vintage polka dot. Those are the 4 background designs that are left to vote on. So just pick your favorite 2, and then check back in a month for the next giveaway drawing. So, okay, the last thing, if you stayed this long, the last thing I wanted to tell you something I'm going to do is an experiment. So we made this album out of the, did I put it up already? I might have already put the papers up. Out of the Rustic Charm paper collection by Mintay. And I also have this paper collection by Mintay. This is the Lilac Garden paper collection by Mintay. A lot of you purchased it, so I will have it linked down below if you want to check it out. But I chose to use this color scheme for whatever reason, and so I have this paper collection. So my thought is, you know, I had been talking to you guys about maybe doing like a video tutorial that would be like a paid video tutorial. So I would shoot the video tutorial. It wouldn't be as edited. It wouldn't be as produced. I use that word lightly because I'm not really producing anything. Like, I'm not a producer. But anyway, it wouldn't have all of the, you know, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, blah, blah. It wouldn't have all that stuff. It would just be, it might even be one long tutorial on how to make, like, let's say we can make this album with this paper collection, right? So it would be, I would tell you the pages that we're using. I would show you the pages that we're using. And we would make the whole album together, but it would be a little bit different, and it would only be available through like my Etsy through paid. Like, you would have to buy the tutorial. So like, you know, all my tutorials are free on YouTube currently. So when we make a project, all of those tutorials are free, and I'm showing you how to use the printable templates that I sell in my Etsy shop, right? So this would be different. This would be, you would pay for the tutorial on how to use this paper collection or one similar to make an album. But it would not include the templates. You would have to have your templates purchased separately. So I was going to do like a test run. I was going to do this paper collection and do like a, just to see, you know, and we're going to make the small album, the smallest size in the timeless. And what are your thoughts? Let me know your thoughts. Leave a comment and let me know your thoughts about that as well. Make sure you vote too. Vote and leave a comment to let me know what you think. So like, I could do, like when we made this album, we used one paper collection. Oh, my hands are, it was, today's Monday, right? The weekend was just it was holiday weekend, 4th of July weekend, and it was a lot. It was a busy weekend. But anyways, so to use one paper collection, and what did he use? We used one set of die cuts. So that I would try to do the same for that. But the only drawback that I can see to this is that, you know, a year from now, you guys might buy this tutorial and you won't be able to get your hands on the paper though. So I don't know how to do that. I don't know what to do, because I know a lot of you like to create along with me, and that's great. I love that. I love that you like to create along with me. But the more albums that I make, like if I was to just keep making this album in different paper collections, you know, I'm basically working for free. I'm working for free for most of the year. And that's just kind of taking its toll on me. Do you know what I'm saying? So like, I want to be able to make these things for you guys and still make a little bit of money on top of that. Does that make sense? I don't know how else to explain it, but it wouldn't be like a huge amount. You know what I mean? It wouldn't be like a $30 tutorial that for this one. It wouldn't be like a $30 tutorial. So I don't know. I mean, there wouldn't be any measurements or anything like that. We would still be using my templates. I'm still trying to think it through. Give me your thoughts, you guys, okay? All right. Thanks. I appreciate all of your advice in advance. And don't forget to vote. And congratulations to the winners. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you in the next one. Bye.